Yes. So today I am going to teach you how to do the easy craft in this lockdown. So you just need 3 color papers, then the gum, sellotape, and if you have the sticks then fine, otherwise you can use any stick. Then you need the scissors. Okay. And again for another activity I take this 3 paper from it. I am keeping here. It is needed in last. So first activity start. So look, first you have to take the orange color, then you have to roll it gently. Okay, don't be so hurry, otherwise it will tear. Just wrap it like this. Then after you will take the white one. Why we will take the orange one? Because orange color is the above of the our national flag. Then after we will take the white color. Okay, the same way you will do like this. Then after take the green color. Okay, look, orange, then white, then green. After that just half the paper like this in the middle of the paper. Okay, like this, half. Do the half by using the scissors. Make it half. I am doing this side so that it will be easy. Don't cut fully, just leave just little bit. Okay, then just wait. Okay, just turn it like this. You can see orange, then white, then green. Understood? Then after take the scissor and make it small parts. Don't cut fully, otherwise it is not you cannot hold it properly. So just leave in the last part like this, how I did. Look, after cutting the paper it will look like this. After that put your finger, any finger, in between it, first in the orange, then pull it gently. Okay, cut it and again do the same process. Okay, then after pull the orange color very gently. Okay, so our tricolor craft is done. Understood? Now I am going to teach you the second activity. For this also you need 3 papers. So here you have to do like this. Just we did the paper fan. You have to fold it like this. Okay, it will look like this. Like this you have to do in 3. Sorry. So look, 3 of the paper I did. So first you will take orange, then after white, Then you will take the green one, okay, like this. Then take the cello tape to make it properly, to attach it. You can use a gum, but it is very good if you take the cello tape to attach all this. Okay, then after cut, one more thing, in between white and orange, put the gum over there. Look, in between white and orange, okay, just little bit. Also like this, in between white and green, we did the same. Then take the two stick, any stick, if any stick you have, you just take it. Okay, you have to put here, not in the sellotape side, in the last part where you did not put the sellotape, there you will take the cello gum like this. Then take the stick, okay, like this. Then give it at least 5 minutes to dry. So after the 5 minutes already over, then just so look, after 5 minutes it will look like this. Just gently rotate it. You can see the art is done. Then just arrange it properly by your finger. Okay, then after just take two round shape paper. You just take it blue color, you can use any color. I am using the sketch pen, you can use any one. Okay, then just put the gum here like this, just do. After that, take the blue part like this in the middle. Okay, so see, our tricolor flower is done. So I hope all of you do it properly. It is very easy in this lockdown, and you don't need any more things to do it. So happy Independence Day. Stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.